My name is Angel S. Jewel. I'm studying in B.Ed first year in KLE Society's College of Education, Vidyanagar, Hubli. Today I'm presenting the seminar on computers hardware, that is input and output device. What is computer? Computer, being a versatile machine, can process different types of data. So to work with these data types, we need different type of device which can help us to enter such data types in the computer and to receive their outputs as well. In this chapter, we will cover many such devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, printer, speaker, etc. that can be used with a computer. These are the some of the examples which are associated with computer device, hardware or a software device. First is input device. The device which are used to give data and instructions to the computer are called as input device. Various types of input device can be used with the computer depending upon the type of data you want to enter in the computer. Example: keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, etc. And there are the input examples. What is input means? The device which are used to give data or instruction to the computer are called as input device. And input device examples are keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, etc. First is keyboard. It is the most commonly used input device. It is used to enter data and instructions directly into the computer. There are 104 buttons on the keyboard which are called as keys. Okay, keyboard is used to type any document or any data in the computer. Totally the keyboard has 104 buttons, and it is also an example for input device. Second is light pen. Light pen is another pointing type input device. It is a pen shaped device which can be used by directly pointing the objects on the screen. It can also be used for making drawings directly on the monitor screen. Yeah, light pen is it is also a input device. This is a pen where we can point anything on a computer screen. To show any important things, we use this light pen. Using this light pen, we can draw anything on the screen. Next is scanner. We can store pictures, photographs, diagrams into the computer with the help of scanner. The scanner reads the image and saves it in the computer as a file. Yeah, to scan any pictures, to scan any photographs, to scan any diagrams, to any type of a document, we use scanner. A scanner is also a most important thing in this input device, which thing we save with the help of scanner is saved as a file. Next is these were the examples of uh, input device. Next we come across output device. The devices which are used to display the results or information are called output device. You can view the output on the monitor or you can print it on a paper using a printer. Monitor and the printer are the commonly used output device. The examples for output devices, monitor and the printer. The device to display the results or information, to display anything or to display any information, we need a one screen. That screen is known as output device, and for example is monitor and the printer. Okay, first monitor. This is the most common output device connected with the computer to display the processed information. It looks like a TV and is also known as visual display unit. Pictures are displayed by using a large number of very small dots on screen called pixels. The number of pixels that a monitor can show on its screen is referred to as the resolution of the screen. Monitor is our example for an output device, and this device, it is connected with the uh, computer to display the processed information, what information we have entered, or if we want to show any information to to others, we need monitor. And this is known as visual display unit. And next is, there are two types of monitor, that is cathode ray tube monitor and liquid crystal display. Yeah, in older days we used to get CRT monitor, which will used to be in bigger size, but now LCD monitors are there, which are easy to use, and which look like a TV, LED TV. Next is printer. This is an important output device of the computer system. It gives a printed output of the results that appears on the monitor screen. Printed output is also called hard copy output because, unlike monitor, these output can be preserved even if the computer is switched off. Yeah, printer, if we want any information to be printed or any document or assignment to be printed, we use this printer. By this printer, what we remove the printed copy, it is known as hard copy. If the copy is in computer, it is saved as it is saved in computer, it is known as soft copy. But if we remove it using the printer, it is called as hard copy. This printer is very useful because when the computer is not working, or when the current is not there, if we need any information, if the if the printer is there, if we had removed the printed copy, it can be very easily used. So the printer is also example for output device. Next, there are three types of printers, different types, that is on the basic of their printing technique. Printer are grouped as follows. First is character printer, second is line printer, and then is page printer. These are the three types of printer present in output device. Next, okay, last to conclude that both the output and input device are the most important part of the computer, which we can use easily. Both the input and output devices are the most important device which we use in our day to day life. Thank you.